What's up, everyone? This is all about 30 days culturing CAULERPA lentillefera, or the delicious sea grapes lotto. I'm going to show you the whole journey, from setting up the water up, until we see the final results of its growth. Let's go! First, we prepare the habitat floor. I'm collecting natural substrate small stones and sand, right here from the shore. This is the perfect base for our sea grapes to anchor and grow. A layer of mud or fine sediment goes down for a nutrient boost. Then I add the collected stones on top. Together, these materials form the perfect anchoring base for our sea grapes. Add the seawater. As we fill the container, water quality is paramount. We need to ensure the salinity is ideal, which means it must be maintained between 30 and 35 parts per thousand. We take the healthy, starter clusters of lotto and gently spread them across the substrate. And with that, day 1 of our 30-day culture begins. The setup is complete. Now the work shifts to monitoring and maintenance. For the few days, we focus on keeping the water clean, the light consistent, and ensuring the temperature stays within the ideal range for our new CAULERPA culture. The first major task usually comes around day 7 or 8. As the sea grapes start to settle, a crucial part of maintenance is water management. We must constantly check the water for clarity and quality. If the water starts to look murky or cloudy, it's time for a change. We only replace half of the water at a time. This partial change removes waste products and replenishes vital nutrients without causing a shock to the CAULERPA culture. We repeat this same partial water change routine every mentioned frequency. For example, 3 to 4 days for the rest of the 30-day culture. Around this time, if the water quality is good, you'll start to see visible signs of success. As you can see here, the sea grapes are starting to grow. What looks like roots are actually the stolons and tiny anchoring structures called rhizoids. The stolons are the horizontal runners spreading across the mud and sand. This growth is our goal, as the stolons are what ultimately sprout the new, vertical sea grape branches we want to harvest. We are now at day 15 to day 20. We continue the routine. Change half the water every few days to keep it clean. The stolons are still growing and spreading. We check for improvement in their growth. Seeing the stolons spread is a good sign that the culture is healthy and getting ready to grow bigger. This cloudy water means the nutrients, or small things, are too high in the container. When the water gets cloudy, we know it is time to change half the water again. Did you know that sea grapes are not just tasty? They are also called a longevity food in some cultures. They are packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and iodine, which makes them very healthy to eat. We are now at day 20 to day 25. The stolons and clusters are definitely spreading, but the growth is not super fast. Maybe because the container we are using is quite small. The whole sea grape organism is like one giant cell. This makes CAULERPA a very special type of algae that can grow and spread very fast if it has enough room. We are almost at day 30. If you noticed, the amount of sea grapes is a little less than before. This is because I had to remove some of the clusters because they died. This loss was likely due to bad weather, which can cause sudden changes in the water temperature and quality that stress the CAULERPA. But the good news is that the remaining sea grapes are still healthy and dense. We still have a good yield for our small setup. We made it to day 30. Even after losing some to the bad weather, the remaining sea grapes are healthy. This was a good experience for me because now I know the best things to do to get better growth next time. This 30-day journey shows that you can culture your own sea grapes even in a small container, as long as you always check the water and manage the basic needs of the CAULERPA. Thank you for watching the 30 days culturing of CAULERPA lentillefera. Have a great day ahead!